There are three main reasons why customers are purchasing Checklist Pro. Today we'll be talking about one of the reasons, configurable checklists on any record. The use case we'll be following is an offboard example where we're downsizing federal staff, some of whom may return to office. After submitting our offboard, we'll look at a subset of the flow which creates a catalog task for the AD group to complete. Without Checklist Pro, you would fill out the description field with the details necessary for the AD group to complete. The problem is, it's in the code. If you need to change the content of that description, you're editing the flow to make the updates. The other problem is, what about the cases where the code is already run and the task is still open and you need the language to be changed? That's a real-world experience from a federal agency today. The request was to modify the details of the work that the AD group is doing during offboards of federal employees to provide a different procedure that would allow these employees to be more easily brought back to work if that was needed. This is where one of our federal customers using Checklist Pro was easily able to handle this without making code changes. Let's have a look. Here we see the task to the AD group that relies on a Checklist Pro checklist for the details. The added benefit of having the details as a checklist is you get intra-task transparency, meaning as the task remains open but checklist items are completed, this information can be seen in a report on the dashboard. It works in all ServiceNow UIs, including Workspace, as shown. If we don't need an interactive checklist and just want the HTML equivalent, we can remove the checklist items and create a checklist header with a non-interactive HTML equivalent providing the same set of instructions. Now that we've updated our checklist configuration to have the non-interactive version, let's have a look. With the old checklist items replaced with the non-interactive HTML equivalent, we can see these changes immediately with a simple configuration change in Checklist Pro.